So I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, it built this and all this. Alright guys, so this is the Teccpo laser guided circular saw, model number TACS01P. This is a 7¼ inch blade. Very easy to take it off. This is your shield, so you can lift this up, which is what we're actually going to be doing right there, because we got to cut a little sliver on this box that we're building on the deck. Some of the cool features, again, is your laser. So this is your laser, it's on right now. The grip is kind of like this thick plasticky rubbery, so it's actually kind of good. You don't get calluses, and it's not foamy, so you're not going to sweat into it. It's got 5,500 rotations per minute. You can set depth that you want to cut on the back here, which is actually what we're going to do right now. So it's with this little lever, so we're going to lift this, and by default I think it's at 2.5 inches. So we're just going to bring this down to about, I want to say, 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. Let's do 1/2 inch. All right, so now you can see that I exposed only half of the, and now we're going to go and cut this. All right, so this is what we're doing. We're cutting this here. Okay, there we go, and perfect. Now you can also do angle cuts to do the angle. Undo this portion here. So we're going to do a deep cut on a 45-degree angle. So obviously the blade is not deep enough to penetrate this, but it works. So I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, it built this and all this. So thanks for watching. This is the Teccpo laser circular saw.